Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do the checkered pattern on the Pyraminx. So I know what you guys are thinking, like, how can you make a legit checkered pattern on the Pyraminx? Well, it's just like not legit actually. I'm just gonna run through the steps on how to do it. There's only 2 steps and 1 algorithm, and there is at least like 2 algorithms to reset it. There's like 2 types like of the checker pattern, but they're both called checker pattern. So let's get to it. So first what you do is do this algorithm. It's a commutator. It's R prime, L, R, L prime. And then you just leave it like the random side that you started out with that algorithm on the bottom. And you cube rotate to do the next. And again, R prime, L, R, L prime. Cube rotate, R prime, L, R, L prime. R prime, L, R, L prime. R prime, L, R, L prime. R prime, L, R. And then you just keep on doing it, and then you'll have the checker pattern. Well, you can stop here and call it a day, but what I like to do is I twist this top one, and then you take off the 3 other tips. Now, as you can see, one of the layers is not checker pattern, but that's just because I don't really know how to make it like full checker pattern, and it's impossible legitimately. So definitely check out other tutorials, but of course they'll still say that you need to take off the tips. If you have like a Pyraminx that is hard to take off the tips on, like find a Pyraminx that it's easy. Like I think a Shang Shao, like the one I have here, is pretty hard. But as you can see, we have the full checker pattern, except on one side. Yeah, there are some algorithms in some other videos where you do like a legit one. Like I know one for the Z3 cubing taught. It's U prime, and then like what I just taught you, and then you do it like a U prime, I think, again. But you again cube rotate, I think. I think that's how you do it. I don't know. So definitely check out his video. I'm gonna put his video in the link description if it's available, because when I like put links in my videos now, they somehow, like, some of them the video is not available. So I hope so. I can try, but okay. So see you in my next video, guys. If this helped you, definitely click thumbs up, and definitely feel free to click the subscribe button. See you in my next video, guys. Bye. Happy cubing.